Looking for a cheap wireless microphone for your vlogs? Watch this video. Play intro. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. You are watching. What's up guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing this XTUGA UHF wireless microphone lavalier system with built-in headphone monitor jack. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you'll get notified with any unboxing videos. This is really good for YouTubers like me who is making vlogs, you know, going out with a very noisy surrounding. So pretty much we are struggling to have that good voice quality when we make interviews, when we talk to a lot of people, and some other things. And of course, as a small YouTuber, we are trying to slowly upgrade ourselves with the things that we use, with the gadgets, the tools that we use in vlogging. In my previous videos, I used this mirrorless Fujifilm X-A3 camera, and I really had a hard time, you know, getting that good voice quality because I could not connect it to an external microphone.
She said, but I think he said a different name, and it's not. We are out. Let's go to our second destination.
So yeah, right now I'm using this Samsung S10, and I'm gonna try to use this XTUGA UHF wireless microphone with this Samsung S10 and see the difference. And let's find out if it's really worth the money. Let's go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ta-da! So I bought this from, sorry guys, I just... Ta-da! So I bought this from Lazada, again. It's worth $870,000, and in the Philippines it's like 2,300 plus right now. So it's cheaper here. So let's see if it has the same quality, and let's try to test the audio quality of this microphone. So, let's open it.
Oh yeah!
Slowly guys. We don't want to destroy our box, right? So what do we have here? Ooh. So we have here the earphones, of course. XTUGA. And here, okay, we have this one. We have here the transmitter. And I bought two transmitters, that's why it cost $870,000. But if you only get one transmitter, that's only 500 plus thousand Vietnam dong, so it's a lot cheaper, of course. I think it would be best if you buy the two, because you might not know, you might have another partner to, you know, use the microphone or maybe do some interviews and give the other phone to the other person. So it's really good that you have two transmitter and one receiver here. See that? Now this one, you can use this when you want to use the transmitter like this. Just plug it in, and then you can use this as the microphone. While this one, if you want to do vlogs, you can just plug this in and then probably hide this under your t-shirt. So it's a bit longer, of course. So this one again is for your vlogs. This one is for interviews if you're holding the microphone like this. Attach the receiver to this so it won't fall off. "30 frequencies can be selected to avoid signal interference around the scene. Receiver lights blue when connected. I already have here the two transmitters ready. So if you're doing vlogging, you can just place the microphone right below your neck, or probably hide it inside your shirt, your t-shirt, so that, you know, you will look like more professional, and, you know, no one can see your microphone. So let's have someone try to speak on the other transmitter in the other room, and while I'm talking using this other transmitter. Alright. So this one is the first transmitter. The second one is this transmitter, which is just right here. Hello? Hello? Alright, so I have the first transmitter, and hello? Okay, so the other transmitter is in the other room, just probably 10 to 15 meters away from this room. Hello? Hello? Can you say something?
Hello?
Okay. Hello, can you count 1 to 3?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so that's the transmitter. We will try this one outdoors, so we will find out the audio quality of both transmitters outdoor. So let's go! Yo, what's up? So we are now trying this microphone. As you can hear, right? So this is the transmitter. The microphone is right below my neck. And this one is the handheld microphone. I'm now in my school and I'm trying this out. I'm trying this wireless microphone. You can see that under my neck, just below my neck, right? And this is the handheld, the closer, the handheld transmitter. So I got two transmitters. And let's try this later and let's see how far this transmitter can go. Alright, so I got two transmitters on. So I have here near my pocket and the other one is I'm holding it. So let's try how far this microphone could go. Let's check the audio quality. So I'm going farther away. So this is the handheld microphone. Alright. And I have here, I hope you can still hear me, guys. I hope you can still hear me, guys. So I'm still holding the microphone. I'm going farther away. Let's see how far this microphone can go. But I think once I turn my back, it doesn't receive it. So I'm still talking as I'm waving my hand. So I think, I'm not sure if this is anywhere farther. So I'm not sure. So can you still hear me, guys? 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 I'm going far and far and farther away and farther away and farther away. So right now I'm using this wired microphone. So this is the audio quality, and I think this is really good if you're doing pranks when you have your camera very far from you and you're just talking with your victims with your pranks. So I'm not sure if you are still hearing me now. I'm not sure. This is the end of this hallway. I'm on the second floor of this building, this school. So yeah, I'm going back now. Going back. I'm using the handheld microphone now. Hello, can you still hear me? I'm going back. I hope you can still hear me, guys. Okay. And I'm not sure because I believe this has noise reduction too. So I think you are not hearing the noise because there are many students around here and it's really noisy. So I'm not really sure if it's able to reduce that noise, but I hope it does. So I'm almost near the camera and I'm now getting closer and I'm here. So how was it? Was it good? So this is the handheld microphone, and I also have here the wired microphone. Alright, so we are now trying this microphone. Let's see, let's have another venue. Now you can see there are many students right here. So let's see if the audio is still getting my voice really clearly. Let's see if the microphone is still getting the voice really clearly. So let's do it. Okay, so right now I'm right here. Don't touch it. Okay. So I'm now walking here in the schoolyard, so students can still see. Hello, what's your name? Hey, what up? What up? What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Lung.
Oh, okay, so this
My name is Lung.
Yeah! Hi to the camera there. Hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Good. So I hope you can still hear me. I'm now quite far. Going farther. Yeah, it's a video. So I hope they're not touching my camera because some of them are just too stubborn. So what? So I'm going back now because some of my naughty students are here. So
Bisa kamera.
What's your name?
My name is Lona Yun lang, no?
And where are you from?
We are...
And how many people are there in your family?
3 people. 3 people.
So we are now going back to the camera there. So this is really clear.
No,
Everyone is just looking at what's happening here.
Kamera. What the
So
camera?
okay, so here we are.
Kamera.
We're almost near. So I hope the microphone really worked
Oh,
well.
kamera.
So I'm now trying the microphone. I'm now in the basketball court. I'm moving far from the camera, and as you can see, I'm not using the handheld microphone. I'm just using the wired microphone, and just to check the audio quality of the microphone. And as you can see, I'm going farther away. I hope you can still hear me. And now let me use the handheld microphone here. Hey, what's up? What's your name? Okay, but I think I suggest if you use this handheld microphone, you cannot place it right very close to your mouth because it's gonna be so noisy. So just maybe what is that? 3 inches far from your mouth, and it'll be all right. So this is the handheld microphone. This is the wired microphone right below my neck. So that's it for the audio test out there.
XTUGA CM7 is a professional UHF wireless photographic and recording microphone for photography, video recording, news interviews, classroom lectures, and other occasions, with a transmitting distance of 50 meters. It works well with medium and high-end DSLR cameras, camcorders, and many more. UHF frequency response band and interference-free circuit features strong anti-interference capability. Noise value control system and noise control technology can largely reduce noise and dynamic range. This microphone can be mounted on a belt or camera easily, and it is very light, which is very convenient to carry and wear. Wireless microphone system with powerful and stable signals using UHF frequency band with 30 selectable channels in the 520 to 580 MHz frequency range. For interference-free operation, wireless range up to 50 meters or 164 feet. The receiver has a monitor headphone jack, which is convenient for monitoring or adjusting the sound and connection at any time during recording. The transmitter has an AUX audio input function, which can mix other audio and microphone sounds. Adopting a high-definition sound lavalier microphone, lapel clips are designed for attaching them to clothes, which make it easy for you to move. You can record crystal clear audio from your DSLR, camcorder, smartphone, or tablet, perfect for filmmakers, vloggers, mobile journalists, and content creators to make field recordings and interviews. Receiver with 3.5mm interface, comes with 2 3.5mm cables. It can work with your laptop, PC, DSLR, a 3-pin to 4-pin adapter, and a Y adapter is required when recording video by using Android and previous versions of iPhone. The transmitter has an LCD display to show battery status and channels. This product comes with a camera shoe mount that can be directly fixed to your DSLR camera and other shooting equipment. Here are some system specs that might help you.
So that's all for today. If you have any questions, comment down below with any questions you may have. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified for my next video. Until next time, see ya. Bye.
Click the subscribe button, like, and of course don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button.